Welcome to Works. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today's video is about the Tangent Engineering Company's Quill Wheel. This product was supplied by Jim Enos at Tangent Engineering Company, and this is my honest review of the Tangent Quill Wheel. Jim is an old school machinist and is very colorful as well as humorous. Jim has a YouTube channel, and its address is www.youtube.com/@tangentjim. Here's the contact information for Jim and the Tangent Engineering Company. This is a quick shot of Tommy Topcoat, Jim's mascot. The Quill Wheel is designed for new mills like the Bridgeport, but with some creativity, it can be adapted to other mills or purchase an adapter from Tangent Engineering Company. Tangent offers adapters for the Quill Wheel for various types of mills at very reasonable prices with exceptional packaging and delivery. All products are made in the good old United States. A special thanks to Jim and the others at Tangent Engineering Company for keeping it in the United States. The package arrived in very good shape with no visible damage to the box that contained the Quill Wheel. The wheel and adapter were well protected within the box. I was sent an extra adapter so I had some options when fitting to my Grizzly GO 759 mill. The craftsmanship on these parts is outstanding, and it's nice to get a product that you don't have to deburr, degrease, or anything else you might have to do to an imported product, and it was ready to use. Here's a view of the adapter, and it's really well made. It seems to have a bluing finish on the adapter, and I couldn't find any finishing issues with it. Here's a view of the Tangent Quill Wheel with the adapter installed. Really nice grip on the Quill Wheel, and I like the feel. Not too hard, not too soft, but Goldilocks feel, just right. The aluminum spokes are anodized red and have a very good fit and finish. Again, I could not find any burrs or bad finish on them as I inspected the Quill Wheel. Even the bottom of the Quill Wheel shows Jim and crew's attention to detail, and the Tangent Engineering Company's Quill Wheel is very well made and finished. Here's a view of the stock quill feed lever that is a bit smaller than the Quill Wheel. I don't have any issues using the stock quill feed lever, but I wanted to give the Quill Wheel a shot and see if it makes machining on the Grizzly GO 759 any better. It's easier to pull the Quill Wheel instead of hunting with your hands for the arms of the Grizzly quill feed handles. Here's a view of what Grizzly calls the selector knob and spring assembly, which when tightened allows for the use of the fine feed screw. The Quill Wheel adapter did not fit the Grizzly as I expected it not to fit. Instead of machining an adapter, I 3D printed one in order to try out the Quill Wheel without spending a huge amount of time machining one. That's the nice thing about 3D printers. I can prototype a part and try it out cheaper and faster than machining one. It took about an hour to print and less than $1 in materials. Here are some dimensions if you want to 3D print one or machine it for your Tangent Engineering Company Quill Wheel to fit the Grizzly GO 759. If there is enough demand, Jim may make an adapter to fit the Quill Wheel to the Grizzly GO 759 or the GO 704 mill, which are the same mill. Here are some views of the Quill Wheel installed. It's kind of big for this small mill, but it worked just fine. Here are a few different views of the Quill Wheel installed and a few places where the Quill Wheel is close to the vertical hand wheel that adjusts the height of the mill head. I wanted to show the Quill Wheel being used, but because I have a 3D printed adapter installed, which is weak, I could not put a lot of pressure on the Quill Wheel during drilling operations. Otherwise, the 3D printed adapter would break. I decided to place a piece of scrap wood in the vise and drill some holes into that so that I could get a feel for the Quill Wheel operation. I tried a few different ways of using it, like hand over hand, using the spoke as a handle, single placement of my hand on the Quill Wheel, and using one hand on it. All worked well, and I found no issues other than it being a little strange not grabbing onto a handle. I'm sure that as I use it, I will become more comfortable using the quill wheel instead of a stock quill feed lever, which can be put back on the mill very quickly. It is easier to use the quill wheel instead of hunting with your hands for your arms of the grizzly quill feed handles. I have a few ideas for the Tangent engineering wheel, and will shoot videos on that in the future. I can say I would spend my own money on the Tangent engineering wheel and find it to be a top-notch product and well-made. Hope you enjoyed the video and got something from it.
Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.